In this video, I'm going to show you how to link Exness to MetaTrader 5. Now, the first thing you want to do once you sign in to your Exness account, you want to go to Trading up top left, and then you want to click on My Accounts. Now, from here, when you click on that, you can then select a real or a demo account. I'm going to showcase this with a demo account. So in case you're using a demo one, go ahead and open up a new account. And of course, you can select which one you want, press Continue, select Demo. And then over here, when you have to select a platform, your platform has to be MT5 to be able to do this, and the other things are basically up to you. Then click on Create an Account, and you have your account set up. Here, when you go under Demo Accounts, inside the My Account section, there we go, you'll be able to see you have your MT5 account over here, and when you click on Trade, you want to hit on MetaTrader 5, and then for the first time you're creating your MT5 account on here, it's going to ask you to actually create a trading account password. Make sure that when you create that password, you actually do remember it, so write it down somewhere because we're going to need it to actually sign in. Now here, these are all the information we need to actually go ahead and get started with MT5 trading. So just go ahead, and I'm going to move this away. Here I have my MT5. You want to go to File, top left, click on Open an Account. And then here, you want to look for Exness. There we go, press enter, and a bunch of them are going to open up. Now, of course, you may be in any of these, but usually it's going to be Exness Technologies, the one you want to click. So I'm just going to click on it and click on Next. And sometimes it may take a few seconds to actually go ahead and proceed to the next page. But in the meantime, make sure you actually have your MT login and password ready. There we go. In here, you want to click on Connect with an existing trade account. And then under Login, you want to paste in the login you received on Exness. So it's going to be this number for me. For you, it's going to be a different number. The password is the one you set. Okay, so I'm going to just type that in like this. There we go. And then the server is going to be also the one available on your Exness dashboard. So it's going to say which server you're in. So for example, over here, it's this MT5 trial 11. So I'm just going to search for this one, which is already selected. As you can see, there's a bunch of them. Select the right one, click on Finish. And then once you do that, there we go, you heard the sound, and now I'm successfully signed in to my Exness demo account on MetaTrader 5. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.